Hey everybody, welcome back to 164land. We have a package, surplus goodies. This must be the mid-February, the end of February pre-orders here. So this arrived the other day. And let's just get right into it and see what we got from Jimmy at Surplus Goodies. These were ordered mostly from the pre-order group, which is LBE Diecast. A little bit of everything. Jimmy puts up his pre-orders there. And then I grabbed a couple from his eBay account as well, which is Surplus Goodies, his eBay store. Jimmy does a great job. Go support him. His mini GTs all come in a little box instead of the silly bigger boxes, which is just a waste of plastic and a waste of space, but that's just my opinion. Take it or leave it. All right. Surplus Goodies right here. Jimmy's the man. Ah, there's his name. And let's see what we got. I've been doing very well. I've been cutting back, so I'm not ordering every color or every release. I'm really being mindful of my ordering. What is that? Did I just talk about Mini GT and how they come in small boxes? Anyway, let's get right into it. First up, the Lancia Stratos HF Stradale in Verde Chiaro. This is number 625, and I was a little hesitant at this. I'm actually going to open this real quick because when you see the pictures of it, it seems like this really obnoxiously bright green. And then I saw a video of it posted, I think by John of Lamley Group, and it was actually less offensive than I thought it was going to be. But let's confirm. Oh no, it's offensive. All right. Okay. I think the coloring is a little off then. Still, great little car. Got the teeny little side mirror there, if you could see that right there. The short wheelbase. Got the Bertoni logo, right? Stratos on the door. That car is cool. Very cool. All right. Nice. Tires popped off there. No big deal. Goes right back on. Mini GTs are great. They roll really nicely. And they're cheap. All things considered, right? Forget static. Okay, one thing, Jimmy, packing peanuts. Stop that. All right, next up, Tommy Kyra, Nissan Skyline GTR RZ in midnight purple. This is the R34. Tommy Kyra really brings me back to those Gran Turismo days where that was such a special model in the game, right? I don't think it was an R34 though, because I don't... All right, so midnight purple, right? Should have a nice little coloring to it. I'm just gonna open this real quick because I think I only have 3 cars anyway. So this one, oh yeah, that's sharp. Looks good. The last one I got, Bayside Blue one, the spoiler was all screwed up, but this one looks much better. Giant front bumper, giant intercooler there. You can see the Tommy Kyra logo, very cool. It's got the R back there. These freaking tires are wide tires. Wow. Cool. Very nice. Like it. Okay, next up we have McLaren. The F1 in cobalt blue. You know, if I don't open these now, they just go right into a box, and then the odds of me going back to them are slim to none. So let's get these open before I forget about them. Before it's on to the next thing, right? See this. Wow. The debut of this car for Mini GT was in silver, which was very nice, iconic color, but this blue is way better. A little schmutz on the headlight there. All right, well, that's okay. Nice, sharp-looking car. And then lastly, I think this is an eBay. Let's see if I can get it out here. Hold on. is this one's cool, Calsonic Nissan GTR Nismo GT500 number 12. Calsonic Impol GTR Team Impol 2021 Super GT Series. I don't know if I have this casting, but Calsonic, right? How can you pass up a Calsonic car? I'm not going to open this one. It's in plastic. I will open it, just not in front of you here. It is freaking cool, though. I try not to collect race cars because it's really easy to get carried away. Looks like the rear window is just a mirror. It's really easy to get carried away. There's so many different liveries, so many different series. You know, the Lamborghini Huracan, so many of them, the Acura NSX. But when it's something like this, I mean, how can you not? Am I right? So anyway, Surplus Goodies, Jimmy, eBay store, Facebook group. Get the pre-orders in. They come relatively quickly. You get a whole box full of goodies, and then you get to open them and enjoy these tiny little models that bring lots of joy. So anyway, thanks for viewing. We will see you next time.